Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have lots to talk about. First thing, I'm sick, so that's great. 2, got a new haircut. I needed it. 3, we just celebrated Christmas, and I didn't want to film it just because it's kind of one of those things that it's more for the experience and it being special. But today is the 25th, and in Germany, they celebrate Christmas on the 24th. Pretty much you spend all day hanging out with your family and visiting friends and eating food, and then after dinner you slowly, patiently unwrap gifts one at a time. In comparison to the usual Christmas with my older sister frantically and rather quickly opening gifts, it was very different and it's still very special. We had lots of good food. We had a little bit of a photo shooting that lasted most of the day. But I also have some new news. That is, I am in Switzerland right now, and I'm here with a former exchange student of ours. She lived with us when I was 14 and 15 in Alaska. This is the second time I've been to her house. I was here last March for a day, but this time I get to stay until the 30th, and I'm super excited about that. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be filming, and I'm not sure what's going to be in this vlog exactly, because there's another little thing I'm doing after I leave Switzerland. I'm really excited to share my little vacation with you guys. I got to celebrate Christmas in a Swiss way today, and I celebrated Christmas in a German way yesterday, so lots of really awesome opportunities to experience different things, especially during the holiday season. That's so special. Visiting family, visiting friends. That's been really awesome, and I feel really lucky to have been able to celebrate it in 2 different cultures. This vlog is going to be kind of random mixture, I think, of things, but it'll still be good just to show you what it is that I'm doing as a little update since I haven't posted anything in a while. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, auf Deutsch. So, heute sind wir in Zermatt in die Schweiz, und beim dieses Stadt ist die Matterhornberg, und ja, es ist da.
That's live.
That's live, genau. So in English, that's the Matterhorn, and so when you eat Toblerone chocolate, that's the mountain that you see on the very left of the package. So there it is. update, my GoPro battery died. And that's fine, that's okay, it worked out. We've been kind of like buried in fog the last couple of days, and so being able to go up higher and seeing everything down below was super, super awesome, super pretty. I leave tomorrow and I have another trip planned after that, which I will be filming. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'm super excited to show you the next trip as well, so stay tuned for the next vlog.